Hey guys, it's Colette
and Charlie
from Vera-Bee, and so we're still on week 2 of Plastic-Free July, and we're on eco-friendly cleaning products. So we picked another kind of 2 favourite products from our range, and I have picked today the Iron and Velvet cleaning sachets. Now I'm going to show you what they look like. So they come in sets of 5. There we go. And you either get a set of 5 that are all different. So 1 anti-bac kitchen, 1 anti-bac bathroom, a glass and mirror cleaner, an oven cleaner, and a floor cleaner. Or you can have the other set, which is again a set of 5, but you get 2 anti-bac kitchen, 2 anti-bac bathroom, and 1 glass and mirror cleaner. Now for a set of 5, they are £10. So I just think they're great value because these make up 250 milliliter bottle, and you dissolve them in water. Like, we absolutely love them, and they smell amazing. So the kitchen is coconut and lime essential oils. The bathroom is, I can never say it, ylang ylang.
Ylang ylang. Is it lang? I think it's a lang ylang. It's that one.
The glass and mirror is apple and mint. The oven is odorless, and the floor cleaner is sandalwood. Yeah. They're absolutely beautiful, and I'm going to show you. They look like plastic. They're not. They're plant derived. I mean, all the ingredients are natural, plant derived, and they're made in the UK, up in West Midlands, by a lovely family. And you pop them into water. So you would make up a bottle, a 250 milliliter bottle. The oven and the floor are 250 milliliters, sorry, and the kitchen, bathroom and glass is 500 milliliters. So they do last a really long time.
So we would use we use our amber glass bottles, which are 500 ml bottles.
Yes, I'm going to get one.
And that come with a trigger spray. So basically you'd fill up that bottle to the top with, you can use cold water. It takes longer to dissolve, but you would say
it's sort of they say
water tepid, don't they?
Yeah. So yeah. But so we do sell these, but I would encourage you, if you already have cleaning plastic bottles, rinse them out and use them with these. You know, I don't have any. I think I've got 1, and the rest are just old bottles that you reuse, because it is far better to reuse your plastic, aluminium or glass bottles that you've got at home rather than buying a new bottle. Yep. But they simply dissolve in water. So you would fill your bottle up 500 milliliters, and then you would pop the sachet in, and then that will slowly dissolve. I'll show you in a little while, because we don't really want to sit here and watch it, but it just dissolves. Oh, you can already smell it.
They do smell really nice,
and they smell adorable, and no plastic, absolutely no plastic, no harm to the environment, completely plant-based. Yeah, absolutely brilliant. And you know, I like, you know, I've got each one, and then normally I just top up with the anti-bac kitchen, bathroom and the glass, because that's what I use kind of most of. But the handy thing is as well, is they have stickers. So once you've dissolved the sachet, then sticker your bottle, so you can sticker over an old bottle, so you know what product it is. And then it also, each one has a handy little leaflet to tell you how to do it, what's in it, that sort of thing. But they're just absolutely great, and they come, as I say, in a little box like this, and you just dissolve them, and you can see already that started. I don't know if you can see in the camera. Yeah, you can start to see that starting to dissolve, and that will completely dissolve away into the water.
And we can show again in the end after I show mine. But yeah, so I'm really excited because, as you know, we already do our Unpaper towels at Vera-Bee, and they're one of the first things that we made, and they are one of our most popular products. And we have now got, hot off the sewing machine, some new patterns, which me and Colette are besotted with. So, if you don't know about our Unpaper towels, they are, I shall show you one to start with. They're basically a 2-layer. They are a pretty printed cotton, 100% cotton on this side, but on the business side, They are 100% cotton toweling, and this is a lovely thick toweling. I deliberately went for the thick toweling because it just is so much more absorbent. So these guys can be used for everything that you would use kitchen roll for. So mopping up spills, mopping faces, basically everything.
Yeah, I use them to wipe, with the anti-bac kitchen cleaner, on the kitchen surfaces. And you just throw them in the wash.
And so, and when they get dirty, you just chuck them in the wash and reuse them again and again and again. And it saves you money on kitchen roll, because I know before I used this, I went through so much kitchen roll. And these guys will last you for a long, long time. So we sell them in rolls of 7, and I find that 7 is a really good amount. You don't need any more than that, especially because you can wash them and you can use them sort of more than once. So this, our first colour pattern, which is your favourite.
And I normally get all the rejects. And so these are coming home with me tonight because I've not had a new set of kitchen towel for about 2 years.
She gave me her puppy dog eyes, and I said that, you can take these ones home. So she's very excited. So I'm going to show them quickly before she puts them in her bag. So this is our first new colourway, and this is called Coral Floral. Which we were worried we couldn't say it, but we can. Coral Floral, probably not after a few gins, but it's okay when we're sober. So that's so it's beautiful oranges and teals, basically, those gorgeous ones. I'll have a look. There you go. And you can take, you take them already.
I take them already.
So you take those ones.
Yeah, and can I just say, I mean, Charlie is an amazing seamstress sewer.
I am.
And she doesn't get the credit she deserves. She really is. And she quilts them as well. So they don't kind of move around. And all of this is
it's
overlocked. And they just, therefore, last forever. But, you don't get the credit you deserve. They're so beautifully made.
She's not normally that nice to me.
No, I'm not.
And the second colourway is my favourite, and this is called Away with the Fairies, which is probably quite fitting for me. And it's beautiful. It's like teals and pinks and purples and pink. It's just gorgeous.
I think there's a little bunny rabbit somewhere.
There is. He appears in different places.
Oh, there he is.
There's the bunny. So this one is these colours, and that's Away with the Fairies, and that's my favourite one, though I won't be taking it home because I'm probably not allowed, but that's my favourite one. And the one that we already do, so there's 3 different ones up on the site at the moment. The one we already do is our Down by the Pond. There is a funny story behind this, but I think we'll save it for another day. And this is, so on this one you have beetles, and we've got dragonflies and frogs. So that's the third colourway, which is Down by the Pond. And if you don't own a set of these, I promise you, if you have them, you'll wonder how you live without them. Because as we say, we normally take all the rejects home. But
yeah, I mean, if you have a look at the reviews, I mean, people always message us about the fact, they're like, I can't believe that I ever used kitchen roll. They're so much better, and they're so much better for the environment, because the problem is with kitchen roll is it can't be recycled, so it just goes to landfill. And the amount of water that is needed to make the kitchen roll
with the trees
and cutting down obviously all the trees, it's just not good for the environment. So the more we can move away from these single-use products, obviously the better. And they just get thrown in the wash and you can reuse them. And why we decided to do like the different patterns within a set, so you get 7 kitchen towels, unpaper towels in the set, is because we realised that what we do at home is that I have one that's allocated for the floor. My husband knows it's the floor one, so you can kind of decide which ones you use for the bathroom, for the kitchen, etc.
And they're 25 centimetres by 25 centimetres. They're a really good size. And I find that a great size for chasing my children around the house and being like, come here.
You do that.
I do that, yeah. But you can catch their face with this. So they've got loads and loads of uses. So they're all up on the site now. We've just put the 2 new colourways, Away with the Fairies and Coral Floral, on the site. So have a look.
Thank you guys, that's it for today. We'll be back tomorrow, Friday tomorrow. We're doing one video tomorrow.
Yeah, we've got the winner of the...
And the winner of the competition, yes. So stay safe and well, and we'll see you tomorrow.
Bye.